One question I get asked all the time is how did I go from zero to making thousands of dollars every single month? In today's video, I'm going to share with you exactly what I do to make so much money every single month. So if you're new here, by all means, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I would like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you, thank you. I see you guys and I truly appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. So whether you're a stay-at-home mom, you're a student, or you're a stay-at-home dad, or you just need extra income to augment your current salary, don't worry, this video is for you and I've got you guys covered. Do not forget to introduce yourselves because I would like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? Now, making money being a student can change everything by granting you financial independence, lowering your dependency on family or others, and meeting personal expenses. See, managing finances and coursework can be a little bit complicated, but of course, online possibilities provide flexible alternatives to earn money without even investing money up ahead. Yes, upfront investments. There are many options for people who want to know how to earn money online as a student to make a consistent income from home, from the comfort of your pajamas in your bedroom, ranging from leveraging your online teaching and freelancing skills to participating in referral programs and of course doing paid assignments. In today's video, you're going to gain experience, improve your skills, and become financially independent by examining the greatest risk-free ways to make money online this year. Now, I'm going to list the top ways to make money, top 5 ways to make money online as a student or as a stay-at-home mom or dad or as someone that needs extra income. First thing here is to work as a freelancer writer. Guys, freelance writing is one of the most popular methods for students to earn money easily. You can use your writing skills. You can develop content for various clients like articles, blogs, websites. And then high quality content is in high demand by many organizations and people. Now, some online platforms enable students to make themselves available as writers, and these websites are Upwork, freelancer.com, and fiverr.com. Overall, this job offers a stable income, it's useful for enhancing your writing abilities, and there are more than those websites. There's Pro Blogger, yes. You can make a lot of money every month if you have experience and the skills required, which are strong writing skills, grammar skills, SEO research abilities, as well as editing. Do you know you can also become an online tutor? So if you're looking to earn money as a student or a stay-at-home mom, becoming an online tutor is a great way to make money. I'm currently hired a student to help me with certain things in my business. So yes, as a student, you can earn money, side hustles. You can have side hustles that make you good money without having to rely on friends or even family. Now, becoming a tutor is one good option that allows people to learn from the knowledge that you have gained through study. Moreover, it's also a great way to revise your knowledge and improve your performance. I mean, there are some online platforms like Vidantu, like Tutor Vista, like Urban Pro, My Private Tutor, Super Prof, where someone can exercise tutoring at their own pace. You can actually work there at your own time. This job is mainly suitable for students that are excellent in certain subjects and they're passionate about teaching. There are other websites like check.com, like Vegantu, and so much more. All you need to do is, the skills you need is subject expertise, teaching skills, and of course, communication skills, as well as patience. Now, the next one on my list here, just so you know, all the millionaires that you know today have multiple streams of income. So I would advise that you choose more than one way to earn money. And that's one sweet thing about being an entrepreneur. You're earning money from here or you earn money from here. Sometimes if it's a seasonal, if one of your businesses is seasonal, then you can earn money from the rest of them during your off-peak periods. I hope you understand what I mean. Now, guys, do you know you can also start a drop shipping business? Now, drop shipping is a great business idea for people that are looking to earn money online without the hassle of inventory management. Now, in this method, when you sell products online, a third-party supplier ships them directly to the customer. And there are platforms like Shopify.com, WooCommerce.com. They make your setup and drop shipping store easy. Now, this business model requires some initial effort to set up the store and market your products, but guess what? It can be highly profitable once you have launched it. There are websites like WooCommerce, like Oberloo, like Shopify, and you can make a lot of money. You just need basic marketing skills, products research, customer service, and of course, inventory management. Now, do you know that you can also participate in referral programs? Yes, you get paid to introduce friends and families to products and services, yes, as well as apps, yes, through referral programs provided by the Refer and Earn apps. Now, these programs give a unique referral code and can be distributed to other people. The referrer and the new user gets benefits, and in turn, you get cash or credits. Yes, when you sign up or you fulfill certain requirements. You can refer and earn. Now, refer and earn program is a straightforward, low investment method. Yes, low investment method of using social networks to generate income in your free time. There are other websites that you can do this. PPC, there's Google Pay, there's Phone PE, there's PAYTM, and so much more. All you need to do, the skills you need are just social networking skills and marketing. Do you know you can also play online games and win rewards? Yes. Students can benefit, or even non-students can benefit from playing games and earning rewards online. Yes, you can play games in ways that go beyond entertainment, and they can be effective means of learning and developing yourself as well. Playing online skill-based, Android or even iPhone games promote strategic thinking and fast decision making. And guess what? They also help to increase concentration, memory, and problem-solving abilities. They can also serve as a means of providing respite from rigorous academic schedules, and it can also help you decompress. Guys, real money game apps that are skill-based, like online Ludo, like chess or card on board, can also offer chances to win cash, and it makes them a useful way to foster social and cognitive abilities. It's also critical to regulate your playtime effectively so that your gaming doesn't interfere with other things that you need to do. So guys, like I always say, as an entrepreneur, you need several streams of income. You can also participate in market research. Yes, I think I mentioned it on one of my videos that I made $350 in just 1 hour by participating in a market research, just 1 hour. And the website is usertesting.com. Yes, head over to that website. And please, when you go to this website, some people say, oh, I just see $10, $20. Always filter from the highest paying to the lowest paying. Always that. I work smart. I don't know about you. But yes, I like to filter to see if it's worth my time or not. Check out the website, and yes, thank me later. If you also want to book a one-on-one consultation with me, go ahead and join my Patreon community. And yes, you can book a free one-on-one consultation with me by so doing. Also do well to subscribe to my blog for more updates. Find the link to my blog in my description as well as in the comments. So I see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend that Mariah has got you guys covered. And of course, I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, let me go and make some money right away.